Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of F2FAdOps.com. Myself Debroon, and thanks for watching the other three videos. In this particular episode, we'll be talking about some other cost models we use in digital marketing. We'll be talking here about fixed buying. We'll be talking about segmented buying. We'll be talking about cost models related to mobile advertisement. We'll be talking about cost models, or let's say how inventory is bought on emailers or email campaigns, and we'll be talking about a bit on RTB, that's real-time bidding. I'll try to keep the entire discussion as simple as possible and not include much jargons here and there. Do let me know if you still have any confusion in the comments below, and I'll try my best to revert to them again in simple words. Cool. So in episode 3, we already had a discussion on cost models. We discussed on CPM, we discussed CPC and CPL. So these are the three most common cost models which are prevalent in the digital marketing area. Today we'll be talking about, let's start our discussion with fixed buying or premium buying. So what do we exactly mean by fixed buying or premium buying? I'll be taking a real life example rather, better to say. We all have surfed the internet. We all visit sites where we see particular ads. On almost all the websites we have visited so far, there are advertisements running, whether it's a car advertisement, whether it's a college advertisement, whether it's for any other product or service. There are advertisements running. Now, let's say a news website, abcnews.com, and so any news website or any well-profiled portal do have different sections and different places where, or let's say different sections where information is categorized. So let's consider, for this example, a news website, abcnews.com, or anything you can consider. So like any other website, this website also has a home page, and it has some sections. So it can be world news, it can be regional news, it can be sports news, it can be entertainment news, and that goes on. So in fixed buying, what happens? The home or fixed buying or premium buying structure, what happens? The buy actually happens for the main pages. It can happen for the home page, it can happen for the section homepage. So if there's a world news homepage, then that. Now there can be several other sections to world news, but so the section home pages or the main home pages where there are good traffic and the advertiser wants to portray their product on those high traffic zones, he can go for fixed buying. So what happens there is he will be booking a slot on the page, let's say a 300 by 250, a rectangle, sorry, a square kind of box advertisement slot he can buy. He can buy a 728 by 90 on top of the page or anywhere within the page where most audience interact, the zone on the page where most audience interact. He can buy that part, that particular advertising slot, and advertise his or her product. So this is fixed buying. So I am buying a slot on the home page for a particular duration. Now, this is also called premium buying, because home page or any section home page or any particular area on a website where there is huge traffic, the slots out there are premium, are high priced, have high data, high traffic, and high chances of promotion and brand awareness. So these slots, we call it as premium slots or premium buying. Second one is segmented buying. Segmented buying is, let's say, in the same news portal, someone would like to advertise let's say electronic product or mobile phone. The advertiser is a mobile phone company and he wants to portray or brand aware his product in the mobile or electronic section. So those are the segmented. So he might not choose the home page, he might choose only the electronics or gadget section. So the price will be slightly lower, obviously, in comparison to the premium buying inventory which is on the home page or segment home pages. So this is segmented buying or segment wise buying. We also, okay, so in relation to segment buying, there are another two concepts called ROS and RON. So in ROS, what happens, it's like a blind segment. The advertiser books the entire portal or all the slots or most of the slots available on a particular portal, and the ad might run anywhere. So it doesn't matter whether the advertisement or the creative is related to electronics or with baby food or with some ammunition or I don't know, but it will run on the entire site of a particular website. Similarly, we have RON. RON is run on networks. So this primarily happens when there is a group of websites involved, and it is possible through when the deal happens, when the buying deal happens through an ad network. An ad network has a lot of portals under them where they can group them and show a particular ad on a particular group of websites accordingly. So the deal can happen as a RON. So for that ad network, that particular creative can show up anywhere on the network, on any website, unless specified. Next we come to mobile cost models. So for mobile advertisement also there are cost models, like we have click to download, we have click to call, we have click to SMS and click to website. So all these are basically related to advertisement on mobile applications, but to some extent they are also applicable to the display part of mobile advertisement too, which happens on the websites. So click to website, what happens when a user clicks on a particular ad, it lands to a particular micro page or a microsite where this product is talked about. A microsite. Click to call happens for, let's say, hotel reservation sites. So where some kind of interaction needs to be done from the viewer's point of view. If he has some interest on the ad and he clicks on it, then it will directly land or directly make a call to that particular service provider, a hotel or a movie theater or anywhere. And the transaction can happen accordingly. So you call them, you book your hotel reservation, and that goes on. Next is click to SMS. Click to SMS is not that popular because it has very less utility, because if you are online, if a particular mobile is connected to the internet, you can do much more than sending across an SMS after seeing an ad. But still it is useful for, let's take a very real example, for real what do we call it, for reality shows. So you think you can dance, or America's Next Idol or something like that, where the viewer needs to vote. So a particular group who is participating in that program can have advertising campaign, though it's not possible, I guess, but they can have saying if you feel like we did our best and we deserve winning, please vote for us, send an SMS to ABCD 1 2 3 4 5. So the end user can simply click on that ad and it will directly open the SMS section of his mobile and he can send across the SMS. Then we have so we discussed on click to website, we have click to call, click to SMS, and last is click to download. So there are several ads while browsing while browsing a website on the internet, on your mobile. or while browsing it through an application, you'll see ads below, and it might say like make your mobile run faster, download ABC Cleaner. So you click on that ad and it goes directly to the application store. Application store, it can be Apple Store, it can be BlackBerry Store, it can be Nokia Store, or it can be Android App Store, where you can directly download the program or application. So far we discussed on fixed buying, which is related to display advertisement on websites, and mobile also, because it's evolving every now and then. As we talk, mobile advertisement is gaining much more traction and it's evolving. So this fixed buying or segmented buying, that is ROAS or premium audience buying, is primarily for display advertisement on websites, which is accessible through desktops or laptops. But it can also be possible on mobile websites too. Next, we had a talk on mobile cost models related to mobile advertisement. We had a discussion on click to download. We had discussion to click to website or visit the website. We have a discussion on click to call and click to send an SMS. Next one is EDM. EDM is nothing but electronic mailers. So the emails which you receive from several deals website or several organizations saying we have new promotions going on for Christmas or something like that, or it might say like you purchased a product from our website 2 months back, and we would like you to return to our website. We are giving you a gift voucher of $1,000 or something like that. So those are EDM campaigns, email campaigns, and the billing, the investment on those campaigns can happen through number of sends. That is how many emails the email service provider is sending. It can happen on what kind of targeting, what kind of email database I am looking for. If it is a B2B database, the price will be high. If I'm just looking for, let's say, Hindi speaking or Arabic speaking nationalities, email IDs for a particular region, it will be the cost will be different. And how many, whether 1 lakh or 1 million, what's the database size, the cost depends on that. Last but not the least, this discussion has taken the record. It's 12 minutes already. I'm trying to keep in everything simple, so just let me know if anywhere you feel any difficulty in understanding, and I'll try to make it much simpler. Last one is a new, not very new technology in display advertisement, which is RTB, that is real-time bidding. So it's like a reverse advertisement. What happens in traditional display advertisement on website is, you know the website and you know like it will be showing up there, and the campaign starts accordingly. But in real-time bidding, what happens, there's an advertising slot, whether it's a 300 by 250 or 728 by 90 or 160 by 600, whatever is the dimension. The slot is sold based on the best paying visual, best paying ad. So there are several contenders for that slot for that particular moment. Company A is bidding some amount, company B is bidding some amount, company C is bidding some amount for that particular inventory, particular slot. The company who bids the highest, that particular ad is shown there. So so this is a kind of means audience sell or advertising sell which happens through RTB. There's a lot of technologies evolving every now and then, every day, to be precise, a minute update to existing technology or minute start of a new technology. Every day it's happening. RTB is one of them. RTB is one of the most important, and not important, I'll say it's the most interesting and exciting thing to learn in display advertisement. So this was the entire discussion we had today. It's almost 15 minutes now. So let me know if you have any queries. This is the 4th episode. Keep watching, keep a track of what's happening on F2F AdOps to know more about digital advertisement in simple words. This is Debron signing off for this time. We'll meet again in our next video. Thank you. Keep subscribing, keep visiting my site, and do email me on any queries or keep post your queries below. Thank you.